Welcome to the world of geometric constructions. Here, we explore the timeless art of creating precise geometric figures using only a compass and a straightedge. This is the foundation of classical geometry, a skill that has been passed down for thousands of years. Our toolkit is simple. First, the straightedge. It is not a ruler, it has no markings. Its only job is to draw a perfect straight line between 2 points. Second, the compass. This tool draws circles and arcs with a fixed radius. Together, they are all that's needed to build the entire world of Euclidean geometry. One of the most basic operations is to duplicate a line segment. First, measure the original segment's length using the compass. Then, move the compass to a new starting point without changing its width. Drawing an arc from this new point gives you a set of points, and any point on that arc can be used to create a new segment of the exact same length. To copy an angle, begin by drawing an arc across the original angle from its vertex. Using that same compass setting, draw a similar arc from a point on a new line. Next, measure the opening of the original angle by setting the compass width to the distance between the points where the first arc intersected the angle's sides. Finally, transfer this width to the new arc, make a mark, and draw a line from your new vertex through that mark. The resulting angle is a perfect copy. To cut a line segment exactly in half, place your compass on one endpoint and open it to a width that is clearly more than half the segment's length. Draw large arcs above and below the line. Keeping the same compass width, repeat this from the other endpoint. The 2 points where the arcs intersect can be connected with a straight line. This new line is the perpendicular bisector, and it crosses the original segment at its exact midpoint. To divide an angle into 2 equal smaller angles, start by placing your compass on the angle's vertex and drawing an arc that crosses both sides of the angle. From each of those intersection points, draw a new arc in the middle of the angle. A line drawn from the original vertex to the point where these 2 arcs cross is the angle bisector. To create a 90-degree angle from a point on a line, first place your compass on that point. Draw an arc on each side of the point, creating 2 new equidistant points. Now, from each of these new points, draw an arc above the line. Finally, connect the intersection of these new arcs to the original point on the line. The result is a line that is perfectly perpendicular. If you have a point that is not on a line, you can still draw a perpendicular line through it. Place your compass on the external point and draw a large arc that intersects the line in 2 different places. From these 2 new points on the line, draw new arcs that intersect below the line. A line drawn from the original external point to this new intersection point will be perpendicular to the original line. To construct a line that is parallel to another, start by drawing a random transversal line through the point you want your parallel line to pass through. This creates an angle. The secret is to perfectly copy this angle at your desired point, using the angle copying technique we learned earlier. By recreating the corresponding angle, the new line you draw will be perfectly parallel to the original. These methods are more than just academic exercises. They form the very foundation of geometry, proving that complex shapes can be made from simple rules. These principles are embedded in architecture, art, and design, ensuring precision and beauty. Mastering them also sharpens logical thinking and problem-solving skills, teaching us to approach complex problems with a step-by-step process. Today, we have learned to copy and bisect segments and angles, and to construct perpendicular and parallel lines. This is a solid foundation. From here, you can explore constructing complex polygons, working with circles and tangents, discovering the golden ratio, or diving into the world of formal geometric proofs. The journey has just begun.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.